Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Assassin's Creed Valhalla gamepad or controller not working issue. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, check if the gamepad is working or not. If not, next solution is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input and then launch the game and check. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input, then check if controller is working or not. If not, come back, select the default settings, and after that move to the next method. Next is to update controller drivers. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here expand human interface devices. Here select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check if there is any update available, and after updating, restart your PC once and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files are verified, now check if controller is working or not. If not, next method is to check for game update. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check whether it's working or not. So here you will see if there is any update available. If there is any update, click on the update button, and after updating the game, check if controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search, now search for check for updates. Here you have to click on check for updates option, and it will check if there is any update available. Now after updating your Windows to the latest version, check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the Windows search, now search for settings. After that, click on Bluetooth and devices. Here your controller will be added. You have to remove it first. For that, click on the three dot icon, then click on remove device. After that, restart your system. Once your system restarts, again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, and now click on add a device. Now here you have to add your controller. After adding your controller, now check if it's working or not. If not, you are suggested to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google and open it, or you can also go through the link that I have already provided in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, click on the download option, and this will take you to the next page. From here you have to select and download DS4 Windows tool. Now after you download DS4 tool, connect your controller. Before that, install it and then connect your controller and update it. After that, launch the game once again and then check for the error if it is working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.